I live in Australia. It's now a week of 30 degrees C plus, but it's still freaking winter. So you could cool down under a mister, or in the pool, or out on the ice. But indoors it's different. I like a cold drink, a really cold drink, and that presents a problem. So I've designed a coaster to solve it. The Scottish flag has a corner 1/6 of the height. Let's call that 16mm. And a shape that's 4x5. So let's call that 120 by 96mm. And we'll have a border of 2mm. So now in Fusion 360 we can lay out those dimensions in a sketch. We extrude a base 2mm thick for the saltire, then 5mm for the field of blue, followed by a lip of 1mm to contain any drips. I've added an extra white insert, which means the blue can print with no filament swaps, saving time and filament. We can export the three parts, the base, the upper and the insert, and load these into Bambu Studio, but any slicer will do. We colour the base and the inserts white, and colour the upper section blue, and both were eSun PLA+. The layer height here was 0.28mm with a 7% rectilinear infill. Printed like this it was about 95 Australian cents for the coaster and 7 cents for the insert, with a total time of about 1 hour and 12 minutes. And if the insert was integrated into it, it would cost $2 at 8 and take 2 hours and 16 minutes. Nice. This is with the insert and here without the insert, and both can catch the drips. If I were to change anything, it would probably be to add grooves to the top of the blue to carry the drips away. Cheerio.